Updating your legal name on Paessler is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Paessler account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings menu, find and select the section labeled Personal Information or Profile. This is where you can edit your name details. Step 4. Update your name. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Paessler to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are saved and reflected in your account. By following these steps, you can quickly update your legal name on Paessler. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.